My YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. In this video, I have initial update for everybody. Everybody. So far, you are into gift card. You are selling gift card. This update is for you. If you have gift card and you don't know how to sell it, this update is for you. You don't need me to man anymore. Like for instance, someone sent you a gift card if you're a Yahoo boy, or someone just sent you a gift card. Instead of just sending it to a middleman that will load it for you and send you your money and still collect their own charges, you can just use this app. You can just use this app right now. So this app is called Cardsale. Yes, Cardsale. So on Cardsale, you can do many. You can sell many gift card as you want. You can sell, and this is the most trusted gift card app right now. You can sell up to 24 gift card on Cardsale. You can sell up to 24 gift card on Cardsale. Shima, Button, Steve, Razor Good, Sephora, eBay, Nordstrom, Vanilla, Marcus, Target, Google, Xbox, America Express, Nike, Amazon, Foot Locker, Visa, GameStop, GameBloss, Roblox, PlayStation, CVS, Pharmacy, Dollar General, Walmart gift card, Kohe gift card, and all these gift cards are the most popular gift card on the market. So you can sell all of them on Cardsale. And on Cardsale, you will get opportunity. One big opportunity is that is the moment you register on Cardsale, you are going to get 3,200 naira bonus free. 3,200 naira bonus for free. You can withdraw it, but the minimum withdrawal is 6,000 naira. So that just look like a bonus to your money there on Cardsale. That just look like a bonus to you on Cardsale. And one thing is that you can actually do one thing again on Cardsale. You can click on task here and click on collect coin, something like this. Add your bank account. When you add your bank account, maybe if you change your username, I just change mine just to collect this. Change it, change your profile image. If you change it, you will get 1 coin. Add a referral card, link your phone number, you get 2 coin. If you click on daily here, just click on login daily, click on collect to collect it. All these coins you are seeing right now here that I am collecting right now, you can redeem them. You can use them as a coupon. You can turn it, you can convert it into couple. If I refresh my this thing right now, if I refresh it, it's supposed to add up here. You're going to see all the points that I just collected right here, all the coin right here. So how do you get this 3,200 naira for free on Cardsale? To get it, this is how you're going to do it. Go to Play Store or Apple Store, download Cardsale. When you download Cardsale, use this code I use here as your invite code. Use 2PS5. 2PS5, that is the code. TUPES5. 2PS5. Immediately you use 2PS5 as your invite code. They are going to give you 3,200 naira for free. They are going to give it to you for free, and you can withdraw it. So if you come to wallet right here, on wallet you can add your bank account. Just add your bank account here so that you can use it to withdraw anytime. Click on it, then click up here also withdraw, then to add your withdrawal pin, 6-digit withdrawal pin, just add it up. So that is the most things you should do right now on Cardsale. Immediately you register, and if you look here, you will see the TV coin that I just collected right now. you can redeem them. As you can see, if you have up to 10 coin, you can turn it to 150 naira couple. If you have 15, you can turn it to 350. If you have 20, you can actually turn it to 800. And just click here and click on redeem. That means you get more money to your money. That means you get more money to your money. So you can read many things on it just like that. So for those of you that are interested, just look at the first the comment section of this video or the description, or beside this video you will see the invite code you should use. Just use my invite code. Just use my invite code as a appreciation. Just use my invite code. So guys, thank you for watching. Just come here. You can see Cardsale has a lot of good rates. They have good rates. Their rate is okay than the other gift card app you might have been using before. So this is an opportunity for you to sell your gift card at a high rate and get your money and send it into your bank account immediately. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any questions to ask, click on the comment section and ask your question. I will be happy to answer your question. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to use my invite code. Goodbye.